Hi, I'm Bob Ganley, and thanks for joining our Chalk Talk on storage for the private cloud. If there's three things that I'd like you to remember about the private cloud and storage infrastructure, it's these. Standardized building blocks, integrate infrastructure management, and automate service delivery. So what do I mean by these? In terms of standardized building blocks, we're talking about getting out of the business of custom configuring your infrastructure for each new virtualization workload. Configure standardized blocks of network, server, and storage in such a way that they support a standard number of virtual machines. So what does Dell bring to the table here? Dell has a product called vStart. vStart is pre-packaged, pre-racked, pre-cabled, software installed bundles of infrastructure, and they include Compellent in the near future and currently include EqualLogic storage as the core storage infrastructure in these standardized building blocks. What about integrate infrastructure management? So whatever your preferred environment for virtualization is, whether it's VMware or Hyper-V, you've got either vCenter or Microsoft System Center Operations Manager. And what you want to do is be able to manage those standardized building blocks in the infrastructure without ever having to leave that single pane of glass. What does Dell bring to the table? We create plugins. Those plugins allow you to manage all that infrastructure very simply from that standard pane of glass. In terms of storage, we allow you to provision, manage, and protect your storage infrastructure from directly within your preferred management environment. What about automated service delivery? In terms of automated service delivery, you need to templatize your workloads. That means creating standard workloads with all the components needed to deploy them. And when you do that, you need to plan out for that deployment and then be able to automatically provision them and then account for them so you can charge back or show back what departments are using what infrastructure. What does Dell bring to the table here? Virtual Integrated System, or VIS, is Dell's software environment for managing the automated service delivery in the cloud. In terms of storage, Dell Labs testing has shown that our storage, through integration with, for example, VMware and VAAI, accelerates the deployment of workloads from templates by 72%, significantly increasing your ability to be agile with your deployments. So if you remember three things in terms of private cloud and storage infrastructure, it's standard building blocks, integrated infrastructure management, and automate service delivery.